down without vote. Yeah. Our president is coming out from the... Mr. President of the people. This is our president. By the grace of Almighty God.
Keep quiet.
No, Obi.
Where you? Just say it.
Obi, sir. He is here with us. He's the president of the people.